Where are they now? They are apparently kid. Remember this guy right here, bro.
What did you think about the ride?
It was great. And apparently, I've never been on live television before, but apparently sometimes I don't watch the news because I'm a kid, and apparently Grandpa just gives me the remote after we watch the Powerball.
What's the Powerball?
So this is Noah Rita right here. So apparently Noah went viral in 2011 after his apparently video. Apparently one of his videos apparently went viral. You feel me? He was interviewed on TV for the first time, man. It was the cutest thing ever, bro. Like, so where is he now?
3, 2, 1.
So guys, Noah is doing very well, guys. Actually, he's in high school now. He's now a teenager. He's in his high school years right now, man. You feel me? Yeah, and he's playing football at his school, and he owns a YouTube channel, guys. So please go there and check his YouTube channel, man. Shout out to Noah. He still continues to capitalize on his apparently fame. You feel me?
Back again with another video. Just wanted to wish everyone a happy Martin Luther King Day. And apparently I've been really slumped with schoolwork, and the footage of the video I was planning on making yesterday was being corrupted. And apparently we're almost at 20,000 subscribers, or we're at it. Depends on what time I make this video. But sooner or later, it's amazing. You guys should keep going, and sooner or later we'll be at 50,000. Apparently, have a good day, everyone.
Apparently in 2024, Noah and WNEP TV had recreated their viral video, man, you feel me, whereby Noah went back to the park and was interviewed, man, like the same questions. He recreated the video as a celebration for a 10-year anniversary of his apparently viral moment.
They're big YouTube milestones, but hey, this is awesome. Thank you all for subscribing. Hope you have a nice day or night, or depends on where you live. Either way, have a nice day. Thank you for 420 subscribers. I am really hoping that by the end of the year we can get to 500, so let's hope for the best. Alright, bye everyone. Have a good Christmas weekend. I may post a video on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve. Maybe tell me in the comments if I should. Alright everyone, have a nice day. Be good people.
So boy, what's up? Thank you so much for watching this video, and please catch me on another one. But don't forget to hit the subscription button, hit the bell, so every time when we drop a new video, you are there in time, bro. Thank you.